Let's say you have 2 darts, but you only want 1 dart on the side seam. First, extend the tips of the darts up to the apex line. Draw your new dart to the apex line right above the dart closest to center front. Secure this pattern piece onto a new piece of paper and trace from the new dart around clockwise to the first leg of the original dart. At the tip of the dart on the apex line, pivot the dart shut. Draw the space between the 2 darts. Anchor the second dart and pivot it shut. From the second leg of that dart, trace around up to the new dart. And now you have an opening. That opening is the new dart. Connect it all the way to the apex. And then you want to shorten the dart. So come down 1/2 inch to 3/4 of an inch in the middle of that opening. Draw your new dart legs. Fold and press the dart down and then true the side seam by using a ruler. And true the waistline with a curve and a ruler to create a right angle at center front. Cut out your pattern, and now you have moved the 2 darts to 1. In the slash and spread method, we slash the new dart, slash the center of the original darts, leaving a small amount of paper as a hinge, and tape or pin shut the original 2 darts. Establish this on a new piece of paper. Draw in your new dart and follow the directions from the first method, where you shorten the dart and true it. Add your seam allowance and any notches.